All right, so let's talk about how do you get the most out of your home sale, right? At the end of the day, the average person only buys or sells real estate maybe a few times in their lifetime, sometimes up to five, but rarely does it go much further than that, right? So a lot of people stay in their house a long time. Many people don't know what it actually takes to get a home sold. The expression that you never get a second chance to make your first impression is very important when it comes to selling your real estate. You know, if you want to sell your house in as-is condition, be prepared for people to give you an as-is condition price. So if you're really looking to maximize your value and the money that you receive for the sale of your property, you really have to be prepared that when selling your house, you paint some rooms, you declutter, you depersonalize, you upgrade the furnace if you have to upgrade the furnace, right? You time the sale appropriately, right? So you're making sure that, like in New England, you're making sure you're not selling in the winter time, right? You make sure you get it ready for the springtime. Right now would be amazing. You gotta set the right price. I was out with a seller today and they said, why is this price so low? And the only thing I could tell them is it's a great marketing strategy because you and those other 50 people are here at this house because the price is so low. But I, as a buyer, or this person as a buyer, will not let you pay this price because they know the value of the home. So the price is going to go up. So pricing is very important. You have to make essential repairs. Let's face it. Make them early so number one, you get to enjoy them while you live in the house so you get your value out of the repairs that you do. And number two, when you go to sell, you're selling a nice finished product and everybody's happy with you, right? So be prudent with your upgrades. If something needs to be updated, give us a call. We have plenty of contractors. But if you want to get top dollar, you have to do the upgrades that are necessary. And lastly, always think about your curb appeal, right? When you come up to the house, how does it make you feel? When you're inside the house, how does it make you feel? Is your home in showroom condition? So if you do some of those things, you will be able to get top dollar all the time, every time. Make sure you hire a local professional agent that can actually help you with negotiations, right? And that has a lot of experience and a lot of training behind them. If you're looking to get the value of your home, you can follow the links below. My name is Dave. I'll see you soon.